Hey Tigers! Welcome to this week's edition of ATV.
Today is February 5th. Coming up on ATV, learn a quick and easy way to sweeten up Valentine's Day.
We also have information about senior night for our basketball teams.
All this and more coming up.
ATV starts now. February 12th is Arlington Boys and Girls Basketball Team Senior Night. Girls start at 6 and the boys start at 7:30. Come out and support the Tigers. If you can't make it to the game in person, you can watch the live stream on YouTube at AHS Tiger Life.
Seniors, remember to complete your FAFSA. The original deadline to complete it, February 1st, has been extended to March 1st. Any senior wishing to be eligible for scholarships and financial aid must complete this document at fafsa.ed.gov.
We'll be right back after this short PSA break.
Here's Jake with our news package.
Thanks, Maddie. Here's our package about Arlington High School's yearbook.
Compared to other years, it's a huge difference. We cannot produce one group photograph because the optics would be bad in this pandemic atmosphere. So that puts quite a strain on my staff to, for example, a sports team, no sports team picture, no team picture. We gotta fabricate together individual shots to show the whole team.
I am the editor of the senior ads section in the yearbook.
I work on the senior section with Dylan.
For senior ads, we get to talk to parents about what they want their child to have in the yearbook for a specific section. We give them the option of a quarter page, a half page, or a full page. Definitely the most challenging part of our section is emailing parents and making sure we're both on the same page, because if they don't like the ad, well then we can't publish that in the yearbook, so we have to approve it and make sure it looks good because they paid for it and we don't want them to be not satisfied.
I don't see her very often, but I feel like it doesn't really affect it that much because I just text her like if I ever need anything and she texts me, so it doesn't really affect it that much.
The hybrid schedule really affects senior ads in my opinion because my staff member does not go on my days, so it is difficult for us to communicate unless we're both here at school, or we can text all the time, and doing that sometimes gets confusing, and it's better to talk in person. But with the schedule, like I said, it's difficult and doesn't always work out. All right, and don't forget to purchase your yearbook. They're gonna be great this year.
Make sure to get your yearbook by spring break. Now back to you, Sky.
Thanks, Jake. Take a look at our special segment where we try cooking for Valentine's Day.
Hey! Welcome to our Valentine's Day special.
Valentine's Day is probably a very special holiday to a lot of people, but if you're like Maddie and I, we just make food for each other. We don't have a Valentine's.
We don't have Valentine's.
So we're gonna make Rice Krispie treats. So yeah. Okay, so if you know anything about Maddie and I and our cooking, we just like kind of wing things. We don't really use directions. I just added some butter to my pot, and I'm gonna let it melt. Okay, so now that our butter is basically melted, we're gonna add marshmallows. I don't really know how much, but like I said, we just wing things. We're gonna wait for the magic to happen.
Now that your marshmallows are all melted, you have to add your Rice Krispie treats in. And now we're just gonna guess how much we should put in.
Ooh, that was a lot. Do you think I put too much?
I might have.
Okay, so now what we do with our mixture is we scoop it out onto some wax paper and put it in a little shape.
We're making it one big heart.
Yeah. Wait, that looks kind of good. Did we really do it right? I just want you guys to know Maddie spilled all the chocolate. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed our actually pretty successful Rice Krispies for Valentine's Day, and I hope that everyone has enjoyed learning about love and how to make Valentine's something special. Bye.
Well, I just want to let you guys know that Maddie spilled the chocolates everywhere and she made a mess in my kitchen.
Actually, I
But-
didn't because they were all wrapped up
They
together.
still made a mess.
no,
there
it
was a
didn't.
chocolate everywhere.
Well, I cleaned it up, so.
She did clean it up, but it was still a mess.
Okay,
Anyway.
whatever. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
For more ATV and creative videos, check out AHS Tiger Life on YouTube.
You can also find past and new live streams on our channel.
Bye.
Bye.